for problem number 5, remember 4 by itself is like saying 4 to the first power. Okay? So what I have is I have 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4. I've got the 1 here and then 4 here. How many 4s do I have total? 5. So it's like saying 4 to the 1 plus 4, or 4 to the 5th. Now, I want to point something out. It says simplify. So if it says simplify, this is the simplified answer. If it had the word evaluate, then we would actually plug that into the calculator and figure out what 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 is, right? I think it's 256. So this is simplify. $256. Let's see if Mr. Adams is right. 4 raised to the 5th power. Oh, 1024. Yeah, what was I thinking? Yeah, I was off by 1. Yeah, you're correct. So it's equal to 1024. And this would mean, if that word said evaluate, you would do it this way.